This video I want to share to you about how to make high-rise building with a balcony in SketchUp. Then first of all we can use the rectangle, can click from this origin, and we can make the height of the high-rise building first, and the length of this high-rise building is around 46 and 40 meter. Okay, now we can make the variation of this high-rise building like this in here. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line. Then we can click the surface and we can push it up. Then we can type 1 meter approximately. So we can triple click, right click, and make component and just create. Then we can select move, tap control, click from this position to this position. Then we can move it up. Then we can type around 4 meter and also enter. Then we can duplicate it again, and then we can type x40 for the count of the floor of this high-rise building like this. Okay, now we can use unique. We can click this object, right click, and make unique. Okay, then we can triple click and we can make this one. We can make this line. Then we can offset it inside approximately like this. Then we can click this surface and select edit, copy. Okay, then edit, paste in place on the outside of this group, and we can push it until down until the bottom. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, then now we can make the difference for this, the first floor or second floor, or ground floor or second floor. We can make unique, and we can make this one like this. Okay, now we can make the railing in here. We can make the glass railing in this position. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, then we can type 1 meter or 1.2 meter. Enter. Okay, we can make a line in here. Then we can duplicate the line, and we can type 5/ and enter. Then also this one. Then we can type 3/ and enter like this. So this is about the balcony. And now, okay, we can duplicate this one to the another position like this. Okay, now we can make the variation. Then we can select line and select move to the position. Then we can type 9/ and enter. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary additional line over there. And we can select move and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and also enter, and also this one. Okay, we can type 3/ and also enter. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Now we can fix this position. Anyway, we can fix this railing of the balcony position like this. We can move just only this side of this railing balcony. Okay, now we can right click, and okay, we can make the another building elements on the rooftop. Then okay, we can erase, and also we can erase this one. Okay, we can offset it inside, and we can push it up to make the parapet position. Anyway, we can also make the podium. We can select move all and move it up. We can move it up around 5 meter. Enter. Or again, we can move it again 5 meter more in here. Then we can make a rectangle here, and we can enlarge the rectangle over there. Okay, to make a simple podium in here. Okay, so we can just make this simple podium like this, and we can make the line in here. Okay, so this is a simple podium. Okay, now we can select line, select this line, select move, type control, and place to this position. Then we can type 10 slash and enter, and also this one. Okay, we can type a 9 slash and also enter. We can 20 slash and also enter. Can triple click and also make group. Okay, so we can also explore more about this podium, but we concern on the tower position. We can assign the glazing system in here and also in here on the railing also. Then we can adjust the opacity of this high-rise building tower glazing, and we can adjust about the color in here like this. Okay, so this is about the podium, and we can also make more higher than before, so it looks proportional. And as usual, about the function of this high-rise building, the podium is very important for the communal space. Anyway, then now we can assign the materials in here. We can unselect the surface. We can select this for the podium glazing in here. Now we can select the rectangle in here, and we can place about the landscaping. This is just for example, so you can explore more about this landscaping system in here. We can select this one. We can select this one like this, and then we can triple click and make group. And now we can make the another canopy, the giant canopy in here. Okay, we can make the giant canopy. Okay, then we can triple click on this canopy on this canopy, then we can make group. So this is the proportional high-rise building. This is the proportional high-rise building in SketchUp. So you can explore more about this facade like this one, and we can select move, tab control, and place to this position. Then we can type 20 slash and also enter. Okay, and also this one, and select this line, select move, and place to this position. Then we can type 20 slash and enter. Okay, and then not only in here, we can also explore about this canopy again, like this. We can explore to make the semi-perimeter canopy in here, and also this one, because I think the canopy is important for the building environment for this building in SketchUp. So anyway, we can make this special floor in here. We can make it like a special floor, so we can make unique anyway. Okay, we can make make unique, and we can also make the another canopy in here. So this is like a special gate or entrance to get access on the rooftop of this high-rise building in here. Okay, like this. Okay, then of course we can make the another glazing system in here. Okay, like this. So this is about the about the landscaping. Okay, this is maybe this is about the landscaping area. So approximately just like this, and we can make the another canopy, the additional canopy on this lower floor on this high-rise building. Okay, and then we can also add more component on this SketchUp. We can add the component samplers, and we can assign the tree in here. We can assign the tree with using this one. Okay, this is for the support for the visualization of this high-rise building environment in SketchUp, and we can also assign this one on this high-rise building rooftop anyway. And we can also add more skylight in here for this spacious hallway in front of this podium of this high-rise building. Okay, I think it's enough, or we can add more elements. Maybe we can add more elements from this extended canopy on this high-rise building like this. Okay, we can make shading in here, triple click, make group, and we can also make component, create. Then we can push it up beyond the tower rooftop like this, and we can place to this position and select move and place to this position. Then we can type 15 slash and also enter. Okay, and we can also push it down again like this. Okay, now we can activate the shadow to make it more clear. We can activate the shadow to make it more clear, and we can make the background clear. We make it the background with the white color in here. Okay, we can assign the color of this glazing to make it more opaque and make it more dark than before, like this. Okay, then we can also deactivate the profile system in here, so the outline of this high-rise building is more clear enough. The detail of this high-rise building tower is more clear enough than we activate the profile, because the profile is make it distracted when we zoom out this object like this. Okay, and then you can also explore more about this high-rise building, like this secondary skin, this flooring railing, this canopy, this landscape, this entrance, rooftop, and much more items and much more element on this high-rise building. You can explore more in this 3D modeling SketchUp. Okay, and we can also assign the direction about the sun shadow like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.